What's going on, guys? So if you saw the title and you ended up clicking on the video, then you either already bought the Angry Stuntz subcage and you're ready to install it, or you're doing some research to try to figure out how difficult or easy it is to actually install. Well, it's actually extremely easy. The only things that you're going to need is the hardware that comes in the bag, as well as a couple of 15 millimeters. That's about it. First thing that you'll need to do is remove this whale tail, or the license plate bracket that comes stock with it, if you haven't done that already. And if you don't know how to do that, with the key right there, spots for 4 bolts. You've got one here, you've got one here, you've got one here, and you've got one here. So all you have to do is just remove those 4 bolts and the whale tail will come off. Now, the stock hardware did not actually fit inside of the stock hole, so I did have to take a drill and drill these 4 holes out just a little bit, just to widen them a little. Once you get those holes drilled out, go ahead and take the included hardware and just stick them right back down into there where the stock ones were. Just like that. So once you've got those 4 bolts pushed through, go ahead and take your nut, line up the holes, and start screwing everything in. And then take both your 15 millimeters and just start screwing them in. And we'll go back through and just make sure that everything is tight. Now you're done. Subcage installed. I'd say that looks pretty good. Got the Angry Stuntz sticker. Alright, from there you just gotta throw your seat back on and you're done. Now for us, the whole point of having this is to start learning how to actually wheelie, start learning how to actually be able to control a wheelie, just to try to make it so that it's a little bit more safe. From what we've heard, Groms are actually the way to start. I know it's not usually the type of videos that I make. I'm not a big fan of making installation videos, if I'm going to be honest. This might be the first and the last. Thank you everybody for all the support. Goodbye.